Now we'll see the use case diagram for the library management system. The components, the main components for the use case diagram, the actor, the system, and the use cases. And this is an online tool which will be used for the UML diagrams. So we can draw the UML diagrams online using this tool. The site name is creately.com. creately.com, creately.com. This is one of the online tool used for this UML diagrams. So now in UML diagram we are going to see the use case diagram for the library management system, and the use case components are there given in the left side of the panel of the tool. We can drag and drop over here. This is the work area. So in the work area we have to drag and drop the components of the use case diagram. So there is a component called system here. So the system is here, and next thing is actor. So I am going to have two actors for the system, member and librarian. So these are the two actors of the library management system. So these two actors will act with this system. Now we'll have the use cases. So now I'm going to input all the possible use cases for this system, library management system. So based on the scenario, what are all the use cases required can be added over here in the system. So use cases are in the system, and actor is the one who is outside of the system. So there is a connector which connects the use case with an actor. So here if you click on this use case, you will be getting these options: edit text, draw connector, and style. In style we can change the color themes and all. And there is a connector, see draw connector, click on that and connect with the actor. So this line should come as a straight line. So here you can change as a straight one. That's it. Likewise, we have to connect all the connectors between the use cases and the actors. We'll connect one by one. Now the use case diagram for the library management system is almost done. The use cases are given, and the actors, member and the librarian is also given, and those are connected with the connector straight line. And some of the use cases are connected with the relationships include and extend based on the requirement. So usually there a connector connects the actor and the use case will be a straight line, that is an relationship called association. Now there are some more relationships we already saw in the theory part, that include and extend. So here, see this diagram, there is a use case called pay fine. While returning the book, we have to pay fine if the date exceeds the return date. So this will be extend. So you know already the extend relationship will extend the behavior of the system, or it will add some behavior to the system. There is a use case, checkout book. This checkout book use case has the relationship include with the use case remove reservation. So while checking out the book, we have to remove the reservation if the reservation is done already. So while we require a book, we'll do the reservation, and after getting the book, we have to remove the reservation while checking out. Here there is an use case called search catalog. So in search catalog, the member can search the book by its book name, author name, and by the publications. So these three use cases can be related to this search catalog use case using the extend relationship. So this extend relationship will add behavior to the system. So these use cases, book name, author name, and publications, will add some more behavior to the system search catalog. So it will add behavior to the system. That's it. So this is an use case diagram for the library management system based on the scenario given. Thank you.